Hey everyone, myself Priyanka, and in this video we are reading Tinkle Digest. Let's start with our new story. The hurricane that hit in a tree. On the outskirts of a jungle lived an old woman with her grandson Chandu. Chandu grazed his sheep in this jungle. One day,
Sheep! I will grab one when the boy is not looking.
suddenly,
Chandu! Oh Chandu! Come home! Quickly! There is a hurricane coming this way.
A hurricane? Both the old lady and boy seem to be terrified. Hurricane must be a demon. What? It catches me? I would better hide somewhere. I know. I shall mingle with the sheep and hide in the sheepfold. Hurry, hurry! Get in, all of you!
the leopard entered the barn and was shut in.
I am safe here.
But just before dawn,
Somebody is coming in. It must be hurricane. It's touching me. Now it's putting a sack over me. But it would be better not to make a sound.
I hope you got a big shape. The biggest. Help me drag it. This must be the heaviest shape we have ever stolen. The sun is coming up. Let's open the sack and make the animal walk.
when the sack was opened,
Huh? It is a leopard. Run! Run!
Hurricane has gone into that hollow? Now it's my chance to escape.
What's the matter, brother?
I am fleeing from hurricane.
Hurricane? What's that?
A terrible creature. It dragged me over half of the jungle.
It seems to me that you are easily frightened. Come, show me where this hurricane lives.
Can you see that tree? It is inside that.
So it hides in the trees. I will climb up and feel the creature with my tail. A bear is climbing up. What is it doing? Grab its tail. It has caught my tail.
terrified bear pulled free, lost its balance and fell.
It's truly a monster. You were right, brother. It's an awful creature.
Didn't I tell you?
Or it may be following me.
Let's run!
Wait.
Who is chasing you?
We are fleeing from the hurricane.
A hurricane? What's that?
Oh, it's simply awful. A creature that drags and pulls animals.
Normal. At your quarters, we jungle folk should never be frightened of anyone. Come, show me the creature. Look, there is a tree. Hurricane stays within it. Be careful though. You needn't worry.
It is a tiger. This time, God have mercy on us. I will step out and see what it is doing. Oops! Ah!
Hurricane has jumped on my back. I would better run. The sooner I reach my friends, the better. There they are. Why you completely misled me? It is no dragging or tugging creature.
As you would have me believe, it is a brider of beasts. We would better not stay here.
And the three animals ran away as fast as they could. This is the end of story. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.